Hello, this is Joyce from King Machine. Today I'm going to recommend you one milk filling machines. Right now I'm standing in front of our filling machine. This filling machine it is composed by the several parts. Before this filling machine, we have the air conveyor, 2.4 meters with 1.1 kilowatts fan, and the electrical control box. And this all the electrical we are using like the Siemens and Panasonic and the famous brand of the electrical parts. And this is the main machine. This main machine, the capacity is 5,000 bottles per hour based on 500 milliliter plastic bottle. The filling heads, it is 14 filling heads. And then this is our cup elevator, which can feed in the cups inside our machine. Before feeding the inside the machine, we also have the cup sterilizer. The cup sterilizer with the like disinfection liquid washing and the our water washing. And you can also follow me back side of the machine. There's also the vacuum system, which can control the filling liquid. Now I'm going to introduce you more clear how we can make sure that the milk is safe inside our bottle. First, from our complete structure, these machines we are using this full stainless steel, full stage. We are using the famous from the Korean stainless steel. And each when we open the machines, this machine is shut off because we have the switch here, door switch. When you open the door, this machine shut off. And then we can go look at the inside of the machines. Inside these machines, we have the UV light, and also we have the HEPA filter system. The HEPA filter system it is a 100,000 stage. That means 1 cubic meter is just around 100 pieces of bacteria inside. This is very good to make sure that the inside it is a maximum control of the bacteria. And for this, especially for the liquid milk contact parts, we are using the 316 materials. So now let's go back to the side of the filling machines, which I'm going to recommend you and introduce you more about the filling valve, how it works. Now I'm at the back side of the filling machine. Look, this is our filling valve. This filling valve, the distance will decide what is the bottle volume it can fill. We can customize for the customers. Right now, this machine it is suitable the bottle diameter from 50 millimeter to 85 millimeter, and the maximum bottle height can reach 310 millimeter. And this filling system is using the gravity filling system. But we also use the vacuum system. Vacuum pump. This is vacuum pump. This vacuum pump we can create the vacuum negative inside the negative inside this tank. So after the milk filling inside the bottle, and the filling, there's an air tube, which is vacuum, will suck in the extra bubbles created by the gravity filling. The bubble will suck in back to the tank. So this is very important to make sure that all the filling level is same, and to control the accuracy of the filling system. For this filling system, the washing valve is very important. This is also make sure the safe production. So after each production of the milk filling, we need to wash this filling valve and filling tank properly. So this composes the two parts. The first part we are from here. This will connect with the CIP from outside. Use the acid, alkaline, liquid, and our hot water to clean the tank itself. And also very important that this machine, we also have the one valve, filling valve washing system. That is this section. This section, we are extra prepared for our customers for this machine. Look at this system. We have connect the filling valve to this CIP circle. This tube. We have created a circle system for our filling valve. So this CIP liquid from top, and then filling inside the filling tank, then filling from this filling valve and go through the tube and go to this pipe, and then come back to this tank. So this is a complete system. This is a complete system to wash the filling valve properly. Here we also have one stainless steel pipe come from the RO water, and this water is going to inject to the bottleneck. So there may have some milk bubbles and some impurity or outside of the neck. So this pipe, the water from this pipe, the RO water, can wash the neck screw of the bottle, plastic bottle properly. So to make sure that there's a clean enough before the sealing. And at the same time, for the caps, we have used the CIP cap sterilizer. The cap sterilizer, we are using the disinfect liquid to wash the cap first. And then this one is the RO water, clean water to wash the caps again. And finally, we are using the oil-free air system to wash the caps inside the cap channel. Inside the cap channel. Later we will give you a screen there. This filling system, we also have the temperature control. Normally, mostly these filling machines, we are using the cold milk filling system. So we also set up the temperature for the filling temperature. Once the temperature is not reached the set up the temperature, the machines will stop. And beside all these advantages, this machine also composed the other characteristics of the filling machine. Like we are use very easy change parts, and also here we are using the capping system. We are using the magnetic filling system, and the force is easy and adjust. The force is easy and adjust. And here, this is the capping system. We are using the air to wash properly. Clean air to wash properly these taps and the easy change parts. These machines, all the rubbers we are using, also the food stage rubbers. And in the meantime, we also supply the customer the free spare parts. We can see the free spare parts here. So, because for the filling valve washing, we needed to use the tubes. So for each filling valve, we have prepared each tubes like this to connect the filling valve and our CIP pipe. And also we have prepared the washing head and the filling head, and together with the supporting to connect the tube, this support. And also we have the toolbox here, like the tools and the rubbers, like this. So you can contact with us for more information.